Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add Google account to your device Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to the home page of your phone and open Google Play Store and click on sign in option and it will checking info. Just wait, and here you have to include your email ID. First type your email ID here. I type the email ID to right prints. This is my email ID and click on next. In the next screen, it will ask you to enter your password for your email. So enter the password here. I enter my password now. Yes, I have entered my password and click on next. In the next screen, it asking for two-step verification in case you are activated. Otherwise, it will be directly sign in. So I have to check in other devices to authenticate this sign up. I have enabled now, and now here it is asking you to select from these two options. I will be using this device or my child will be using this device. If you are only using this phone, just you can choose first option. Otherwise, if you give sometimes to your child, then select second one. Okay, here I select first one and click on next, and here click on yes, I am in. And here I click on agree. Just wait. Google services are loading. Just you have to accept terms and conditions here. Yes, accepted. And yes, now Google Play Store is completely opened and you can download any app from Google Play here itself. Okay, in this way you can easily add Google account to your device and access Google Play services in your phone, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.